Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook a pancake with pancake mix. First, gather your essential ingredients. Pancake mix, the specified amount of milk or water, and 1 large egg if the mix requires it. Carefully measure everything according to the package directions, ensuring accuracy for the best results. Gently whisk these ingredients together in a medium-sized bowl until they are just combined, and do not overmix, as a few small lumps are completely normal. Let the batter rest for about 5 minutes while your griddle heats up, which truly helps achieve that light, fluffy texture. To begin, choose a reliable nonstick frying pan or an electric griddle, as these provide the most even cooking. Set your heat to a steady medium, aiming for a surface temperature around 375 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal browning. Lightly grease the pan with a small pat of butter, a teaspoon of vegetable oil, or a quick spray of nonstick cooking spray, making sure to wipe off any excess. You can test the temperature by adding a few drops of water. They should quickly sizzle and vanish, indicating it is perfectly hot and ready. Now, using a 1/4 cup measuring scoop or a small ladle, gently pour your batter onto the hot, greased surface. Make sure to leave plenty of space between each pancake, as they will spread a little as they cook. Let them cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes on this first side, patiently observing their transformation. You will start to see small bubbles forming all over the surface, and the edges will begin to look set and somewhat dry, signaling they are almost ready. When you see plenty of bubbles popping across the pancake's surface and the edges have firmed up, it is the perfect moment to flip. Carefully slide a thin, wide spatula completely underneath one pancake, ensuring you have the entire bottom supported. With a swift and confident motion, flip the pancake over, allowing it to land gently on the hot griddle. Continue cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes on this second side until it becomes a lovely golden brown, signifying it is thoroughly cooked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.